Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can install Vanguard for Valorant. So first of all, open up Task Manager, and then here you just need to write VGC. Make sure no task is running here. Then Riot Client as well. Riot Client should not be running, and Valorant as well. Next thing what you need to do here is to go on search and look for installed apps. Then here you need to look for Vanguard, right? Vanguard, and uninstall it if there is a Vanguard here. Wait for a couple of seconds until installation process is done. After it's done, you just need to open up Riot Client. And then of course log into your account. Then go to Valorant and press install Vanguard or press update here. And then you just need to restart your system in order to Vanguard to be working. Or simply you can go to services. Then you need to look for VGC. And then make sure it's set to automatic here. Apply the changes, restart Riot Client, and then you should be able to play. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.